I sit on the bed.
I sit on the bed.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I rub my eyes.
I rub my eyes.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I put on my slippers.
I put on my slippers.
I stand up.
I stand up.
I yawn.
I yawn.
I fold the blanket.
I fold the blanket.
I spread the sheet.
I spread the sheet.
I make the bed.
I make the bed.
I arrange the pillow.
I arrange the pillow.
My bed looks neat.
My bed looks neat.
I walk to the window.
I walk to the window.
I open the curtains.
I open the curtains.
I open the window.
I open the window.
Fresh air comes in.
Fresh air comes in.
I look outside.
I look outside.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The birds are flying.
The birds are flying.
The birds are singing.
The birds are singing.
The weather is nice.
The weather is nice.
I take a deep breath.
I take a deep breath.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I return to the living room.
I return to the living room.
I want my phone.
I want my phone.
I look for my phone.
I look for my phone.
I check the sofa.
I check the sofa.
I search under the sofa cushions.
I search under the sofa cushions.
I check the TV stand.
I check the TV stand.
I find my phone.
I find my phone.
I unlock the screen.
I unlock the screen.
I make a phone call.
I make a phone call.
Great job! You just practiced important English sentences with us.
Keep practicing every day, and you'll speak English more naturally and confidently.
Subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Like this video and support the channel.
Tell us your favorite sentence from today's lesson in the comments.
We love reading your answers.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing your English skills.